As we struggle each day to provide privileged self and societal management capabilities, we must verify that our usage of lifetime is best used while we are in the position to do so. The struggle we face today will eventually develop the strength we need for tomorrow, because we live in times where we see many humans but not enough humanity. Martin Luther King once said that change does not roll on the wheels of inevitability, but comes through continuous struggle, and we must always be ready to strengthen our backs and work for our freedom, self-worth, peace, progress of ourselves and our people. No man can ride us unless our backs are bent. As we journey through life, I have come to realize that the most beautiful people I've ever known are those who have known defeat, suffering, struggle, loss, pain, and have found their ways out of those depths. They represent the hopes for those of us struggling to get to the finishing lines of life. Always bear in mind that those who quit in the midst of struggle are often forgotten by the wind of time. Failure are mere statistics, but courageous survivors are examples to our generation. No matter how hot the sun shines, it will go down for the moon to bring peace. We live in times today where we know how to struggle, earn a living, drive the best cars and pride ourselves as gods. But we often forget to live good, because living good is not defined by the riches of the physical, rather by the peace of mind that we have. We are not alone, so we must not be too hard on ourselves, but be strong, brave, courageous, fearless like the eagle, because this wind will pass and we shall smile because we are unique. With the struggle we face each day as people, our life journey must be that of finding ourselves, finding our power, finding each other's strength, not our weaknesses, and living for ourselves, not for everyone else. Many are dream killers, therefore, guide your thoughts so your tongue can guide your lips to speak only that which is necessary. Be careful who you speak to. Learn the habit of completing actions before you talk about them. Above all, stay focused and dream big, because you have a role to play in the world.